You will be amazed by this 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control. Rest assured, your Santa Fe has everything you need to make excursions convenient, comfortable, and confident. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.